Good day, everyone. Learn how to add a wireless mouse in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So firstly, you need to open your mouse and there will be a receiver, a USB receiver which you need to plug into your laptop and then put the batteries in the mouse, and once you're done, you just need to search Bluetooth and other devices settings, and here you will find add a device, or the moment you plug in the USB receiver, it will automatically add and connect your mouse. But let's say somehow if it doesn't, then we just need to click on add a device, and you see audio device mice, so you can simply select that and it will show you all the connected device, and you just need to add your mouse and you just need to click on next, and you will be able to connect your wireless mouse to your Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.